what I tried to show over there, the powder was not even the half of the container. It is about this much, and the rest of the container is empty. So I thought it will be at least half of the container, or it can be a little bit above the half. So the powder is just about this level, and rest of the container is totally empty. So that's the thing that I wanted to show over there. And another thing I have noticed, inside the lid they are full of scratches. These numbers or these marks, whatever what those are called of the company, those are scratched. It seems like this the lid, the container seems to have used, and the marks, the labels were scratched off from the lid, and the container is again being reused. So sometimes what the brand does, they use the same container, but they put the fresh powder in it. So it can be that case also. So it worked for me, and that's the thing that I wanted to show in the video.